Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will do question answers of chapter 5, editing text in MS Word. Okay, so let's start. First we have one word or one sentence answers. So you can write the answer in one word only, or you can write the complete sentence. It's up to you. First question is, which shortcut key is used to check spelling and grammar in Word document? So if you want to check spelling and grammar, you all knows the use of checking spelling and grammar option. It automatically corrects the spelling if it is saved in dictionary of MS Word. Otherwise you can do manually. Okay, for opening spelling and grammar option, press F7 shortcut key. Okay, so the shortcut key to check spelling and grammar is F7. Okay, next question is, which command is used to reverse the action of undo command? As you all knows that undo command is used to take us one step back. Okay, so the reverse action of undo is redo. Okay, the redo command is the reverse action of undo command. Okay, it repeats the last action. Okay, last undo action. Okay, third question is, name the mode that is used to replace the existing text in a document. See, there are two modes in which we can do insertion. First is called the insert mode and second is called the overtype mode. So using insert mode we can type normally the way we type, and in overtype mode we can replace the existing text. Okay, so the right answer for third question is overtype mode. Okay, last question, what is the shortcut key to delete one word to the left? If you want to delete the one word to the left side of the cursor, then you can press Ctrl plus backspace key together. This combination erases the letter to the left side. Okay, now we have long answers. So first one is, list any three features of word processing software. See, in the beginning of the chapter many features are given, so you can write any three. Okay, which you think is appropriate you can write. Okay, many features are given, like features or of word processing software. First one, we can produce letters, reports and notices, newsletters, books, bills and many other types of document in word processor software. Okay, second, we can insert graphics. Third, we can preview before printing the document. We can copy and move the text. We can share the document over the internet. Okay, these all are the features. Any three you can write. Okay, in second question, what do you understand by editing? How can you insert the text in a document? So editing means making changes in existing document is called editing. Okay, means once if you have created a document and then if you want to make any changes, so that is called editing. Either you are inserting text, you are deleting text, or you are making any other kind of change. Okay, it's called editing. And how can you insert the text in a document? So we can insert the text in two ways. First, we can insert text by using insert mode, and second, we can insert text using overtype mode. Okay, third question, explain the use of thesaurus option in Word 2016. So the thesaurus option is used to see the list of synonyms for a particular word. Okay, it helps you to improve your vocabulary. Okay, because it provides the word with same meaning. Okay, so this is the use of thesaurus. And if you want to change the word with its synonym, so you can change also. Okay, this option is present in insert tab. Last question we have, what differentiate between moving and copying text. So moving text means if we want to change the position of text in a document, okay, if you want to remove it from one place and if you want to shift it on another place, that is called moving, means cutting the text from one position and pasting it to another is called moving. And copying text, copy option is used to repeat the text. If you want to repeat the text in document, so for that we use the copy paste option. Using copy paste option, we can repeat the text again and again in a document, and we can paste it in any other document also. It reduces the time. If you want to use same text in document again and again, so you can just copy and paste it. In copying the text remains same as the source position and the destination, means from where you have copied it remains on that place also, and it pasted to the destination place also, okay, where you want to use it again. Okay, so moving, it deleted from the source and pasted to the destination, but in copying it remains same to both the positions. Okay, so complete this page number 62 of your book. Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.